Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to share a contact on Viber. Maybe you want to quickly exchange contact information with your friends or colleagues in the application. So today I am going to show you how to share a contact on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this screen, select the chat where you want to share your contact information. For example, I want to share it to this conversation. Simply tap on it. In this chat window, tap on the three dots icon located at the bottom right side of the screen. A menu will pop up below, and here, tap on this contact icon. You will see a list of contacts from your device address book. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the contact that you want to share. Once you have found the contact, simply tap on it. Viber will then attach the contact information to the chat, and your recipient will be able to receive the contact information and can save it to their device contacts. There you go. If you wanted to know how to share a contact on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to share a contact on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.